This is M2M Ferries, one of the very few ferries in the country which is redefining water transport. They are now a preferred way to travel.
So we as a group were actually in the passenger transportation business, water transportation and coastal cargo movement. So, it naturally fell into place because we saw this gap in the market because we were working on operating a terminal port at Mandwa as well, which is actually where M2M Ferries sails to from Mumbai to Mandwa. So we had all that support ready, and we saw that all the current boats that travel from Mumbai to Mandwa only operate for 8 months of the year. There is a gap in the market, that is where 4 months of the year during the monsoons, no boats can operate because the sea is too rough. So that's where we fit in. We got in a Ropax ferry. So not only can it travel all 12 months of the year, you can also get your cars on board. You can get your pets on board. We added a lounge, cafe, bar, everything. So we offered the full cruising experience, as you say.
M2M Ferries has reduced the usual travel time from 5 hours by road to just 1 hour by sea and offers all-weather year-round connectivity. With Kapture's custom booking engine, M2M Ferries booking process has been more efficient, offering personalization at every level.
To be honest, when we started the business, Kapture wasn't there with us from the start. So when we started out, touch wood, but we got a lot of more bookings than what you were expecting, especially because we were right at the start of the pandemic. This is August 2020. And immediately we saw a need that we really need to streamline the process. And that's when we came across Kapture I think we reached out to you all at the end of 2020. And we went live with Kapture in April 2021. So it's been about more than 1.5 years now. And Kapture's really streamlined the process, as in when we're able to not only take bookings, but we're able to say modify a booking. We're able to actually from start to finish see the full booking flow has improved. We're able to the turnaround time when customers contact us is improved greatly. So me being in the customer experience department, I have greatly appreciated the way Kapture helped us out the most. One of the things we were really focusing on was looking for a CRM that could, adjust and adapt with our requirements. And I think that's where Kapture really fit in, because we saw that you all have a lot of background in working with cruising lines. We were not aware as a business that what all technology is available and what's there to offer. But one of the main factors that made us choose Kapture is the fact that you all are a white label company. So as per my understanding, it's that whenever there's something new coming into the market, you all automatically upgrade and you all are constantly adjusting and updating your software, which is why we were so keen to get on track with Kapture, because we too as a business obviously want to grow and get the best of whatever technology is available out there. So we are hoping to actually see Kapture grow as well as see us grow. So now we're hoping to get on to more integrations, increase, optimize the services, so we can, as a company, M2M Ferries can also offer their customers more opportunities, more ways to, interact with us, trust us. We really value the reliability factor that we offer our customers. And a large part of it is because we have such a good CRM holding us. And hopefully that continues and keeps improving.